Okay. You need green and red navigation lights for your boat. This is going on my John boat, and it's cheap. Hack, I guess. They're $6 Cabela's little camping lanterns. I'm going to duct tape them to the front of the boat for my green and red navigational beacons. And I got one. I'm going to duct tape them. There's certain things that I go cheap on, certain things that I don't. I don't go cheap on tape, electrical tape, and duct tape. This is clear. This is $6 for 9 yards, but it's like supposed to be the best. So, yeah, and that should be visible up to a mile away. And then eventually I'll get real fancy and I'll glue magnets, and then I'll put a magnet underneath the floor or the top of the deck on the boat, and then it'll be stuck there. And then when I'm not using it, or I could just take it off so it doesn't get knocked off. But it should hold while I'm like riding and everything. So. The Green Lantern. Ooh. This doesn't really come out really well in the video. That's a little better. Yeah. This is what you do when you're on a shoestring budget. And Buddy's got about 100 grand into his first year. I'm working with 10.